Azerbaijan is located at the crossroads of Eastern Europe and Western Asia. It is situated in a way where it is sometimes considered part of Asia and other times it is considered part of a European country. In this video, we will explore the different aspects of Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan is bordered by four countries: Russia, Georgia, Armenia, and Iran. The east of the country is bordered by the Caspian Sea. Much of the north and west is covered by the Caucasus Mountains. Outside the capital city of Baku, the land is dotted with oil and gas reserves. One of Azerbaijan's most famous sites is Burning Mountain, a natural glowing fire burning on a hillside along the Caspian Sea. The mountain has been blazing for at least 65 years. Natural gases seeping through the ground underneath continuously feed the flames, so the fire never goes out. The climate of Azerbaijan can be described with warm summer and cold winters. It can be divided into three different climate zones. 1. North of the mountainous regions. 2. South of mountainous regions. And 3rd, along the coast of the Caspian Sea. Temperatures during the summer months vary between 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Summers in Azerbaijan are often warm and sunny with dry periods. During the winter months of December through March, it gets quite cold, with daily temperatures far below 0 degrees Celsius. The mountainous regions of Azerbaijan are known for severe weather conditions and extremely cold weather. The Shekizaka Tali is located just south of the mountains and has quite different conditions than the northern regions with less rain. The coastal areas are significantly warmer than the northern mountainous portion of Azerbaijan due to the tempering effect of the Caspian Sea. The culture of Azerbaijan combines of Turkic, Iranic and Caucasian cultures. The country has a unique cuisine, literature, folk art and music. One of the ways the culture expresses hospitality by sharing a cup of tea with guests. This custom is rather unique when compared to other tea drinking cultures. The social beliefs and customs of Azerbaijan are heavily influenced by a strong commitment The nation is rich in natural resources and its economy is heavily based on oil and other energy exports. The country is considered an upper middle income nation possessing a high level of economic development and literacy. Other industries that contribute to its economy include cotton and agricultural products. If you like, give a thumbs up to this video. Share this video whatever social media platform. See you on the next video.